Start para. This commercial appeal is filed against the final judgment dated 4 September 2023 passed in Notice of Motion number 1823 of 2023, in commercial suit number 137 of 2022, by the District Judge, City Civil Court, Mumbai, full stop. Considering that a short issue is involved, the appeal is taken up final disposal at the stage of admission, full stop. It appears from the record that the respondent has not entered appearance, as also observed by us in our order dated 16 January 2025, full stop para. By the impugned order, the appellant's right to file the written statement has been fortified on the ground that the conditional order passed by earlier the trial court 13 November 2022 taking the written statement on record was subject to the appellant paying cost of rupees 1500, which was not complied with, full stop. As the delay in filing the written statement had passed the statutory period of 120 days as on 4 September 2023, the trial court by the impugned order rejected the notice of motion number 1823 of 2023 of the appellant to take such written statement on record, full stop para. Pursuant to the filing of the commercial suit on 7 January 2022, the defendant was served with writ of summons in the suit. The appellant presented his written statement along with a notice of motion filed by appellant before trial court to take the written statement on record, full stop para. The trial court by an order dated 30 November 2022 held that the written statement was filed within the stipulated period of 120 days from the date of receipt of service of summons by the appellant as required under Order 8, Rule 1 of Civil Procedure Code, 1908, full stop. However, the trial court made such order conditional on the appellant to pay cost of rupees 1500 to the respondent, only after which the written statement would be taken on record, full stop para. It was on 7 January 2023 that the suit of the respondent was listed for hearing before trial court, full stop. However, the appellant did not appear on said date, full stop. In view thereof, the trial court directed that as the conditional order of payment of cost was also not complied by the appellant, the suit shall proceed without the written statement and was placed for recording evidence on the next date, full stop para. Pursuant to the above, the appellant filed another notice of motion number 1823 of 2023 for taking his written statement on record. The trial court by the impugned order rejected the said notice of motion of the appellant by refusing to take such written statement on record, for the reasons recorded in the impugned order, full stop para. In the above backdrop, Mr. Kapil Shah, learned counsel for the appellant would empathetically oppose the impugned order of the trial court dated 4 September 2023 and would pray that the impugned order be quashed and set aside, full stop para. Mr. Shah, referring to the order of the trial court, would submit that the court found that the written statement of the appellant was within a period of 120 days from the date of service of summons by the appellant, full stop. Thus, the undisputed position would be is that the written statement has been filed by the appellant within the statutory time period when the same was presented on 17 August 2022 by the appellant, full stop, before the trial court by way of notice of motion for taking the written statement on record, stop.